Welcome back to It's Really Nate and Danny. We were able to snag a reservation for the Beak Barrel, that all-new Pirates of the Caribbean bar right here in Magic Kingdom. As huge Pirates of the Caribbean fans, will this bar live up to the hype? Come along as we try the food, some drinks, and check out to see if there's any merchandise. Let's go!
Well, hello everybody.
We just left D23.
We did.
And we are now headed to Magic Kingdom because what did we snag a reservation for?
The Beak Barrel, matey.
So we made a date night out of it. We decided to head over to Magic Kingdom rather than going to the Typhoon Lagoon. So let's go check out the new Pirates Bar. Let's ride a couple rides and let's make it a fun night. Do you remember where it is?
I have no idea. I'm guessing near Pirates of the Caribbean.
Okay, I think it's near Pirates of the Caribbean as well.
Like next to it.
So we're going to go check out over there. And do we know what they have to offer?
I think they're going to have some really good food. And they're going to have some really good drinks.
All right. Do they have dessert?
I don't think they have dessert, no.
Oh. Do you think it smells like the Pirates of the Caribbean ride?
I hope it smells like a pirate ride.
Could you imagine you walk in and it just smells like dirty water and fire? Have some merchandise in the actual Pirates of the Caribbean store right when you come off the ride. They have a really nice t-shirt, parrots that sit on your shoulder. These new Pirates of the Caribbean lounge flies. I don't know if these are new, but I've never seen them before, and they're so nice. They also have this one. And then they also have this water bottle and the water bottle holder. So we're gonna pick up a couple of t-shirts, maybe get a lounge fly. We'll see if Nathan allows me to get a lounge fly.
Here's the back of the Beak Barrel t-shirt.
Yeah, super cute. And then the front says the Beak Barrel, and it's on the side. It also is the really soft t-shirts like they have on Disney Cruise Line. I'm so excited because it's soft. Literally my favorite t-shirt.
And the mug is in the experience. So when you sit down and you order, you can get the limited edition mug, and we're going to show you that.
Cool. Can I get a lounge fly? Can I get the lounge fly?
No.
Guys, should I get the lounge fly?
No.
Answer in the comments. So we checked in. They said that they were running about 5-10 minutes behind. They called us within 2 minutes. We're gonna head in now. I am so excited because we do love Pirates of the Caribbean. We cannot wait for the Pirates of the Caribbean bar on the Destiny, which we will be on in November. So if you are on, make sure to say hello to us.
What do you think?
I'm a sucker for blue light, so I'm just really excited that there's blue light in here. Ooh, what's happening?
Shiver my timbers! Where's that heavenly sound coming from? Oh no, oh no! White Blackbeard sizzling whiskers! Crew! Sound the alarm! Mermaids! We got mermaids! Alright, shield your ears! Let this blasted siren song turn us all into spellbound fools!
Okay, so we ordered a whole bunch of drinks. You have a limit of 4, so we have 2 non-alcoholic and 2 alcoholic drinks.
We have a limit of 2 each.
2 each, so a total of 4. And then one of them was the rum with the limited edition mug, so we're going to try that out. And then we got a couple things from the galley, some food to try. So we'll see how it goes. So we just stepped in and got to our table, and these menus are really cool. They're binded with leather on the outside, and so all of these are brand new cocktails that are being featured at this bar. So from the galley, you've got different island provisions and food that you can have. And then they've got non-alcoholic beverages, signature cocktails, and then rum, beer, and bottled and wine selections. But the cocktails I'm really excited for. I'm definitely going to try the margarita.
It's similar to Trader Sam's where they have like a show.
Yeah.
It's similar to Oga's where they have, they have the dance part. I would say that this is more comparable to Trader Sam's than it is to Oga's.
Yeah, I want to walk around and
But
see
it is a
some busy
45-minute limit like it is for... Oh.
It's getting dark again.
The treasure you desire.
All right, first up is the rum, as Jack Sparrow's favorite.
The puncher.
The Plunder's Punch, and this comes with this limited edition mug, which is the first edition, and they give you a brand new one on the way out. I'm not a big rum guy, so here we go. I don't even know if I've ever had rum. All right, that's really good. That's
Yeah?
It's like sweet. It tastes like a margarita. It's very sweet, actually. All right, Danielle, what do you think?
My turn.
It's not bad, right? I mean, it's a little strong, but
It's a little strong.
it's not bad. All right, what's next?
All right, let's go for the margarita next.
Okay, very strong.
It's not the type of margarita I like.
Okay, bottoms up. Oh, that's very good. That's very good. I think I just have a different palate. This is excellent. I could drink this whole thing. Fantastic. All right, this is the non-alcoholic Cursed
This is
Treasure.
The Cursed Treasure. It comes with a little cookie on it, and some, I think, whipped cream. That's actually really good. It's like coconut milk with like vanilla cream. The cup is very cold. Good. Here's the hidden dessert. This one's also in a freezing cold cup. This one is the Treasure Trove. That's pretty good too. So this is kind of like a Gatorade. This one tastes like Gatorade, like a coconut Gatorade.
Like a Star Wars drink? Like Oga?
Kind of.
Yeah.
This is like coconut milk. This is like the blue milk. It's like coconut Gatorade.
Okay.
That's what it tastes like. All right, let's try this.
Like a cake pop.
Yeah.
Like a cake pop? Yeah.
Cake pop.
Nice. That looks really good. There's some popcorn.
Good.
Then we also got the chips and pita with salsa dips and the chicken chipotle sandwich. That looks really good. So we'll try both of these as well.
These are plantain chips. I know that.
Plantain chips. And then
I
there's
don't know what
pita.
everything is though.
Yeah, I don't know either. We're just gonna have to try it. Oh, looks like a barbecue.
Yeah, this is like a barbecue. This is a mango salsa.
That looks delicious.
That's gonna be spicy, I think. And then this one is like the
Chimichurri.
Yeah, chimichurri. All right, let's do it. Let's try the chips. Blue chip. Yeah, blue chip. Pita. Plantain chips.
Good. 100%. These chips are so much better. Oga's Cantina has chips too. These are better. And I love those chips at Oga's Cantina.
It's very good. It's like a Mexican dip. It's good.
Nice. Yeah, really good dips, really good chips. I love it. I don't know the name of this. It's a Chipotle chicken sandwich. That's what this is. Let's not. That's what this is. So, we're going to take the lime without the coconut. And we're going to put the lime inside. Because I don't know how spicy this is. I see some spices here.
Well, you'll be the judge of it.
It's very hot, and it kind of falls all over, but... Okay. That was really good. It's got like a little bit of a crisp around the bread. And the chicken's really flavorful. I can't tell if it's spicy or just really hot. I think it's just hot. I don't think it's spicy. But it's really good. I'd rate this like an 8.2.
Wow.
Get this again.
Wow.
100%. It's pretty big, so you could like eat this as a meal. The food and the drinks are fantastic. This might be one of my favorite Disney bars. I'm not even kidding. I judge it by atmosphere, by the theming, the experience, the food, the drinks, the mugs or other collector pieces. This hits all of it. The theming is fantastic. I honestly give this bar like a 9.2, 9.1, like in terms of overall. It's a really great atmosphere. It's very, very cool.
So we finished our 45 minutes. Our bill was about $125. I don't know what it's like. No, you're a vision. The food was great. The drinks were great. They definitely are adamant on your 45 minutes, so make sure you order, get your food in, all that.
For an hour. Yes, we have.
Oh, well, I guess not. But they're like, wrap it up. The shows are not based on drinks like it is at Trader Sam's, I asked. So the shows or the shipwrecks, the alarms happen. She's like, I don't know when they happen. They just happen. Yeah, spontaneously. They're really cool. I would totally recommend, if you can get a reservation on the Walt Disney World app,
100%.
definitely come out here.
Yeah, you gotta stop here.
Totally worth it. Very similar to a Trader Sam's, Oga's Cantina, Haunted Mansion Parlor. Can't miss it.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and
Talk to you
comment
guys
down
soon.
below if you guys have been here before and what you thought. Talk to you soon.